planning a New Year's Eve party. Okay, so we've got about 2 weeks to plan this party. Where should we start?
Let's start with the theme. Any ideas?
I was thinking something classic, like black and gold, but maybe we could try something fun like glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark sounds amazing. Imagine everyone in neon outfits and glow sticks everywhere.
I like it. We'll need some black lights for that.
And decorations. Neon balloons, glow in the dark paint for signs, and maybe some LED fairy lights for ambiance.
Perfect. What about food?
Finger foods are the way to go. Easy to grab and no mess. Mini sliders, spring rolls, and a nacho station sound good.
Ooh, and maybe a dessert bar? Cupcakes with glow-in-the-dark frosting or cookies with edible glitter?
Fancy. I'll make my spinach dip. It's always a hit.
And drinks? Should we go with a punch or a DIY cocktail bar?
DIY cocktail bar for sure. We can set out mixers, fruits, and recipes for people to follow.
Great idea. But let's also have non-alcoholic options. Maybe a sparkling cranberry punch and some flavored sodas.
Good call. What about activities? We need to keep people entertained.
Jamie, trivia is always fun. We can make it New Year themed with questions about 2024 or predictions for 2025.
And karaoke. We could set up a little stage area with a mic and speaker.
Done. I'll make sure Don't Stop Believin' is in the playlist. It's a must.
What about the countdown? Should we do something special?
Definitely. Let's have confetti poppers and those noisemakers ready for everyone.
And maybe a photo booth with props? People love taking pictures at parties.
Yes. We can set up a corner with a backdrop and some New Year's props, hats, glasses, and signs.
Decorations are key. Let's go with gold, silver, blue, and purple to match the glow theme.
Agreed. I'll order some LED candles and sparkly table runners.
Oh, and don't forget music. We need a killer playlist.
Already on it. I'll mix in some throwback hits, dance tracks, and a few slower songs for the end of the night.
One last thing, invites. Should we do digital or old school paper ones?
Digital is easier, but paper ones could be cool for a more personal touch. Maybe both?
Good idea. All right. I think we've got ourselves an epic party plan.
Absolutely. Let's make this the best New Year's Eve ever. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.